The Martian sky stretched out, a vast canvas of orange and crimson. Dust devils danced on the horizon, their forms twisting against the backdrop of the setting sun. Earth, a small blue marble, hung low in the sky. It was a beacon from a life we once knew, a reminder of the journey that brought us here. Before us stood the colony, a testament to human resilience. This was our new home, carved out of the red dust. We had come to stay, to explore, to expand our reach into the cosmos. This was humanity's next giant leap. Next giant. Glowing emerald green under the fading sunlight were the domes. They were havens of life, each one a testament to our ingenuity. Transparent geodesic structures shimmered, reflecting the colors of this alien world. Inside, life thrived. Crops grew in abundance, tended by robotic arms and the hands of pioneers. Trees, once only native to Earth, reached for the artificial sun lamps above. Water flowed in streams, a precious resource carefully recycled and reused. Beyond the domes, the colony bustled with activity. Utility buildings, their metallic surfaces gleaming under the dimming sunlight, housed the machinery of survival. Landing pads, etched onto the Martian surface, awaited the arrival of transport ships from Earth. Sleek spacecraft, their metallic hulls reflecting the harsh landscape, stood ready for exploration. Two rovers, their mechanical arms outstretched, trundled across the red soil, leaving intricate tire tracks in their wake. Astronauts, clad in their advanced spacesuits, unloaded supplies, set up equipment, and worked alongside robots. The landscape stretched out beyond the colony, a vista of stark beauty. Towering cliffs cast long shadows across the plains. Ancient craters, scars from a violent past, dotted the landscape. And in the distance, majestic Olympus Mons, the solar system's largest volcano, pierced the sky. This was Mars, a planet of wonder and peril, and we, the people of Earth, had dared to make it our home. It was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, a beacon of hope for the future. The colony, a symbol of our ambition, stood proud against the backdrop of the red planet. We were pioneers, explorers, dreamers. We were the future.